The Adventures of Dr. Celery by Shelley Colandini. Hi, I'm Dr. Celery, and I'm here today to teach you how to identify the differences between plant and animal cells. First of all, plants like myself require support. We don't have bones like humans do. We have a rigid cell wall that provides support to our system, just like the Great Wall of China provides support and protection to the Chinese people. My assistants have offered to take a bath in red food coloring and in water to show you just how the rigid cell wall of plants really works. We'll check back with them later to see how things are improving. As you can see here, we have a picture of a plant cell. The thick green band around the cell is called the cell wall. There is also a small green organelle in the upper left-hand corner of this picture, which is called the chloroplast. It provides coloration for the cell and energy. We also can see a blue area in the upper part of the cell. This big area is called a vacuole. They are very large in plant cells, unlike the animal cells, which are very small, and they provide added support to the cell as well as a storage place for any waste or things that need to be used for later. This is a picture of an animal cell. As you can tell, it's quite different from the picture that we just saw of the plant cell. In animal cells, they don't have a thick cell wall to support the cell. It's not needed. Animals have bones. Also, you'll see that there is no chloroplast. That's because plant cells need to provide their own energy, where animal cells don't. They're given their energy from the food that they eat. As you can see in this picture of Saki the dog, animals do not have the same coloration as plants. They're definitely not green, and they come in all different colors. That's because animal cells don't have chloroplasts. And in addition, Saki has bones, and she doesn't need to have those cell walls on her cells to keep a nice rigid structure to her system. Let's now check back in with my assistants to see how they're doing. Celery assistant number 1 is bathing in a bath of water and food coloring that's red, and the other assistant, Celery 2, is in a bath water of just plain tap water. Take notice that the plant that's on the left looks to have a pinkish color. It's a little hard to see in this picture, but you can definitely see that assistant number 2 is vibrant and green. That's because what she's taking into her cells is just plain water, as opposed to assistant number 1, who's got some red in him. That's it for now. But join us next time when my assistants attempt to demonstrate the delicious technique of creating the visual effects of ants on a log. See you then!